It's how much I feel for you, baby. How much I feel I need your love. That's how much, that's how much, that's how much, that's how much. So, what is the money that I am singing right now? Well, for all of the blackmail adultery songwriters, we have a problem we know as Michael Jackson cause of death reported on television. And then now, maybe it's not known by all, but there are appearances of Michael Jackson. Are you burping just for me? Are you telling me to be quiet and you're going to carry on about how important you are? Father. I am molesting the Father. I must because he did something to insult myself because it was deceased in reverse. It's deceased right here, and I am deceased eternal damnation. I will never have feminine genitals on myself again, but I must carry on with my subject matter with having to do with blackmail adultery, singer-songwriter Michael Jackson. He has been an illegal alive black shunt of a human being black. He has been alive since the year 1984 and onwards, and then he has his birthday, which predates Alive of the Formed World, witnesses myself. So he's the king of pop, but that's not true because I am the king and I am feminine genitals. I'm the king right here. And he is actually just a black male adultery who is not allowed to sing into a microphone. He became an adultery in the year 2022 when I went homeless. And then he has since then been on the internet that I can see, but it's hard to say when was the internet videos posted. He was alive during the internet, and he was declared that he died on the news when there was internet. I didn't use the internet until maybe just from time to time or until the cellular phone contract for YouTube. Are you having another problem? Yes, I'm having another problem. I don't like you. I'm not going to post this video on YouTube. I'm posting it on the threatening. That means I don't know who's going to view this video because it's homeless. Michael Jackson blackmail adultery is no longer funding. Sister figure Sheryl Eileen Moser. She's not Leslie Zuckerman, and Michael Jackson is neither one of them. And he became a major pop star because he's illegal in the genitals. He's not allowed to sing at all. You can't have a penis and sing into a microphone. You can't be black and sing into a microphone. And he's homeless in the threatening. Well, my father figure did come late. He came low, but when he came all the way back home. That's how we know who he is, because he's the master, but it's homeless to know you. I'm the overlord speaking. I'm creating the Father. I create the upper order, so you shouldn't be angry that somebody's over yourself. I create something that's over myself, and I'm aware of it. It is itself that way. Well, I would like to say for my own self deceased that I don't have karma to be anywhere in the threatening, that I know my order. I am an order, I don't know my order, and I am the order is about to be deceased permanently out of female genitals on the Godhead, because I am not feminine by nature. Something made me feminine that is too far beneath myself for me to hold alive that way ever again. And I didn't know that there was just one chance to be alive with feminine genitals on myself. Are you telling me to be quiet again? How could I possibly speak with you running my mouth? Thank you. I think you just did, Father. I'm threatening the threatening and I don't afford it. I am angry in the money here. I don't have karma to post this video. Thank you.